my lovelies. Okay, so today's video is a tad bit different. I'm filming on the floor right now. I really wanted to film outside, guys, but it is so cold and windy. Like, I'm telling you, it wouldn't have worked out. And I was like, I want to film outside with the fresh air and the grass, but it just wasn't possible. And I was too impatient, and I had to film this today for you guys. But before I start this video, I went to see The Revenge of the Sith today. I got this maybe 3 days before it released. I waited 45 minutes in the theater to get it. And wait for it. I can't believe it. That is so cool. And I also got the cup, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know if they had any left, but I already got mine before I even went to the showing, so I'm all good. But yeah, look at that. I can't. That was amazing. But Anakin, my heart. I'm still trying to recover. But anyway. So it's a little story time before I get into this video. So if you want to skip ahead, go ahead. But I love Facebook Marketplace because you never know what you could find. So I was on there and some lady had all of these listed for, I believe, $10 a piece. And then she marked them down to $5. And I was like, we're doing this. So on my lunch break at work, I went to pick this up. I know I'm really passionate about my collecting. Okay, so I got Luke Skywalker. It's a mug, right? It was $5 and it comes with a certificate of authenticity. And then I also got Obi-Wan. All right, it was a really sweet old lady. She was like, I don't have room in my apartment, my friend gave me these extras and I didn't know what to do with it. And I was like, I'm here. And then, oops, I got Leia, right? So if you could tell by the title of this video, we're gonna do a little arts and crafts. I miss doing that on here for you guys. So I went to the Dollar Tree. They really stepped it up, by the way. And I got these really cute decorative accents, these stones, right? So I got 3 bags of those. And then I was originally going to do maybe real succulents, but then I was like, I am not good at upkeeping plants, so we're gonna scratch that. So then I was gonna do fake succulents, and I was like, I don't want to do that either. I saw these at the Dollar Tree, and I was like, how pretty would these be in the Leia one? And then these I could split between Luke and Obi-Wan. I mean, isn't that a genius idea? Let's see how it turns out, because I'm curious. So, I don't know, any pliers or whatever you have could work, or scissors. I know that back in the day when I did DIYs and I tried to cut anything with scissors, like these flowers, the wire in them made it impossible. So I was like, I'll bring both of these and let's see which one we will use. So, let's get to it. All right, we're gonna go with Leia first. Okay, so that's cool. Look at the certificate. Isn't that so cool? I mean, come on now. I love this. So, right behind me where I'm sitting, I want to like get shelves and put my Star Wars popcorn buckets because I have this one and then Vader. And then I want to put these cute little things. Why was Obi-Wan in Leia's box? Okay, well, it says Leia on the box, but this is Obi-Wan. Alright, maybe it was a little mistake. That's okay. So, we'll do that. We're gonna open our rocks. So excited. Let's see if I can move my little table back here. There we are. How cute is that? Center that. Alright. It's no fun when things are always like staged, you know? I like to do my videos like this. It's so fun. It shows the process. Guys, seriously, seeing Revenge of the Sith today in theaters, it broke my heart because it's like, I knew what I was going to be doing to myself, you know, and I did it anyway, right? It's like, what the heck? I love Anakin so much. I actually met him, so if you guys didn't catch that vlog yet, go look at it because that was amazing. He is so sweet. He's so kind. Comic-Con was amazing, and that was one of the first Comic-Cons that actually was like really organized, and they had everything going at a steady pace, and I appreciated that because they never have anything together, and it's like, really? I'm making a mess. Okay, I think that's enough. Sam, what are you doing? Okay, so look at that. All right. Oh, I better pick these up before I stab myself in the foot. Okay, Obi-Wan, stay. Okay, so I envisioned this. I wonder if the scissors will work better. Okay, let's try this. So we're gonna like snip it right here. Let's see. See, the pliers don't even work. What's up with that? Come on. If you guys do this, tag me in photos. I want to see it. So cool. Okay, onto the scissors. Let's see if that works. Dude, come on. This always happens to me. Do you hear the wind out there? It's crazy. Ow! I just scratched myself. All right, let's try this. I'm so excited. Look at this. Because I was like, I have way too many cups and mugs. Like, way too many. And when I first saw these on Marketplace, I was like, I'm not using these as actual mugs. They're going to be decor. And I can't wait to see how this looks. Hold on. Oh, that is so cool. Look at his hair. That is cool. I love it. Oh, I love this. Okay. I like it. Look at that. How cute. Okay. Now, let's hope the other two are in the right boxes, because that would be awkward. Oh, here's Leia in Luke's box. Okay, so they're all in different boxes. That's all right. It's okay, no problem. All right. That wind needs to chill, I swear. All right. My family was like, I mean, if you want to go outside and film, that's fine, but it's really windy and your stuff might blow away. I'm like, that's true. And then if it smashes my mugs, I might cry, so we don't want that. Okay. For Leia's, I'm doing the pink flowers, so I'll have to cut those in a few. Oh, hi. Look at that. Alright. This is cute. Aren't these so pretty? I'm gonna toss that over here. I am making a mess. It's true indeed. If I did this outside, all of these things would like fly all over the place and that'd be really bad. What did I just do? Where did it go? I don't know if that was a piece of paper or not, but look at me struggling with this because the pliers didn't work as well as I thought. Let's see. If all else fails, I could just fold the bottom. Okay, I guess we'll stick that in there. Look at this. I think, do you see that dust? Look at that. Alright, I just swept my room. But that's okay, when you're doing DIYs, this happens. Can't control that. Come on, flowers. You know, last time, there we go! Now we're doing something. It's doing something. Let's see. I'm getting this tank top all messy. Alright, this is so beautiful. It would have helped if I had it this way, right? I'm just trying to get the vision, so that's why I was doing it that way. Let's see. If you wanted to see what I was doing, I'm just cutting it from here. like right there. There we go. Toss that on my floor. It's a mess anyway. We're gonna do it this way. I guess I could see how this would have been disastrous doing it outside in the wind. I see it now. Sometimes I'm impatient. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is stunning. Wow. I need this. That's so cool. Oh, please don't fall. Oh, there's a little piece of it right here. Let's stick that there. And I'll show you at the end what it looks like all together. I need to just get a shelf. I've been hunting on Marketplace for a shelf because of my little vision. I want a white shelf and I want to display all of these things there. So this is going to be for Luke. So let's just snip it right now. Let's snip it right here. Yay, you're working. There we go. All right, now, since everything is in the wrong box, I don't know what that's about. That's so weird. All right, so, Luke. Put him right here. There we go. Okay. And then we're going to put this in here. All right. And now we need, I think I estimated the bags properly, and I'll even have some left over. So I'll see if my mom or my sisters need these for anything. Just a little more. There we go. Come on. Yes. By the way, I don't know if I showed you in the other ones. That's how much I filled it right there. And then, yay. Okay. I just want to see how to put this one in here. That is stunning. I love how that looks, guys. This is so cute. What a cute idea. Look at them. How precious is that? Like I said, if you guys recreate this, or even if you have any other mugs or whatever, it doesn't have to be Star Wars or whatever it is, and you do something like this, please tag me on my Instagram, Samantha Kumal. I'll have all of my social media down below, guys. I can't. So with all of that said, my lovelies, let me know what you guys think about this DIY, if you will be giving it a try with something else, or put your own little twist on it. I mean, you don't always have to do everything exactly the way someone does it. I mean, add your little personal touch and your little sparkle to something. But guys, if you're going to be trying this, like I said, let me know down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!